Hi, my name is Michael Remington, and I'm the founder of ArrestWanted.com. I'm guessing you're probably wondering, is this site even legal? How come I've never seen anything like this before? Something must not be right. Well, I'm here to tell you that's just not the case. Although I'm not a legal professional, I'm actually an engineer by trade. I've looked into this thoroughly and investigated it myself, and I am familiar with the systems of law and more than most. So I'd like to tell you that based on my research and the fact that I haven't had anyone a legal professional to this point tell me any different, I believe that this entire site is as legal as can be. Not only that, it is basically American tradition. But let me continue with covering the major areas of concern that I hear from others who have viewed the website. First of all, most people will say, well, isn't arresting someone, going after to arrest them and convict them, vigilante justice? Isn't that what law enforcement is supposed to do? Well, first of all, this website does not exclude law enforcement whatsoever. But if they're not able or willing to pursue a suspected felon, well then it will fall to an average citizen to make the arrest, leading to the conviction. Now, let me give you a high-profile example of a private citizen who does this all the time. His name is Dog the Bounty Hunter. I'm sure you heard of him. He's got a television show. He's taken into custody over 7,000 suspected criminals who have jumped their bail, and none of them have been harmed seriously, if at all, that I know of. And Dog Bounty Hunter is still in business to this day. So if it was illegal to make a citizen's arrest, I think he would be in jail by now. Now, as far as the law goes, I've looked into California law since I live in California, and I can give you actual penal codes that affirm this. PC 837. A private person may arrest another for a public offense committed or attempted in his presence, when a person arrested has committed a felony, although not in his presence, and when a felony has been committed and there's reasonable cause to believe the person arrested has committed the felony. So there you go. California law, and I'm sure all other states, affirm this basic right of citizens' bill to make an arrest. Otherwise, we'd have law disorder. I mean, you hear about people doing this all the time. When a shopkeeper stops somebody from robbing their store, right? Don't see them going to jail. But and also they say, well, if you arrest them, nobody's going to convict them. Well, PC 142 affirms that a peace officer must receive an arrested person or face punishment. And on top of that, there is the grand jury system. So if the person who makes the arrest was also to file a criminal complaint, they could go to a grand jury and they could actually get an indictment from them. And then it's just up to the judge who presides over the court case to be fair and judicious, and the jury to decide whether this person is guilty or not. All it takes is one juror to say not guilty, and the person is off the hook. So not only is it legal to make a citizen's arrest, this site does not actually encourage extrajudicial action or anything like that. It actually encourages the use of the judicial system for everybody. And that's the problem right now. Now, offering rewards. Now, the government offers rewards all the time. FBI, local police agencies. Now, you think that if they offer rewards, well, shouldn't it be illegal? I would think so. But if you also look into history, corporations and individuals have offered rewards over the years. And I have no examples to my knowledge to where someone offering a reward was found guilty of committing a crime. It is just incentive to actually go after criminals and enforce law and order. I mean, who is against that? Everyone's against crime. So, and not only that, the rewards that you would pledge for contributing to a suspected felon's reward, the pledges are $10. So it would take 1,000 people to get a $10,000 reward, which is basically, roughly, are about what you would expect and necessary to encourage someone to take the risk involved to make an arrest and leading to the conviction. So just the fact that 1,000 people have found this person most likely a suspect of this felony, that is a strong indictment in of itself. And I just don't see anybody being prosecuted for offering a $10 reward, $10, for a crime that a lot of other people believe has been committed by that suspect. So I really don't see that as a real major concern either. Now, as far as posts go, I've heard some people say, well, isn't it slander to post allegations of someone online? Well, what I say to that is, don't you see people doing it all the time on blogs and in articles? And you don't hear about them getting prosecuted. Maybe high-profile news agencies, very wealthy and influential people, because they have the influence to maybe slander somebody's reputation. But this website is not geared towards actually harming someone. It is actually geared towards going after suspected criminals. And if somebody actually contributes to a reward, actually a number of people would, good chances are this person actually committed the crime. So and on top of that, so that's mainly a concern that would be of mine since I'm hosting the site. But for users, I've set it up so that if you were to post a suspected allegation, it's anonymous. So there really is no major concern there. So, in summary, I would just say, stop being paranoid. It's new, it's novel, but that doesn't just automatically make it illegal. So I would encourage you to post, contribute, and share your posts at ArrestWanted.com. Thank you.